their chickens are coming home to roost. Targeted individuals, psychic reading. Right, so what this feels like is that your attackers, the people who've been out for you, the lies, the gossip, the slander, the rumours, it's all coming home to roost. It's all being returned to sender. Knight of Wands at Knight of Wands on the bottom of the deck. I was going to say in reverse positions because it's not. Lord of Flame and Lightning. Now, I pulled this a second ago in the Daily Collective, and I was saying that for me it felt more of an astral thing. It felt more like you got some renegade angels on your side, etc. That are coming forth to start laying the judgment down, start dropping the hammer. Okay. Four of Cups in the reverse, Lord of Blended Pleasure. This is the end for these people. Okay, Temperance card, Daughter of the Reconcilers. That's going to be a bit hard to see, but on this card, she's pouring into the kind of cauldron, some lightning bolts and water. Heavy, heavy judgment coming down on these people. Why? Sun card in the reverse, Star card in the reverse. They've been blocking your Sun card. They've been blocking your Star card. Six of Wands, you're going on to victory, Lord of Victory. Okay. Right. What I'm being shown is I'm seeing it's like a face. It's like somebody's face, and it's like they've got what do you call it? Like boils or something like that popping up on their face. So I don't know if that's going to be like a sign or a clue for anybody out there or whatnot. But I want to say that the signs are going to start coming forwards. You're going to start noticing and seeing the signs. There's a lot more people involved in this than you realise. Okay, so we've got stuck together. It's been stuck together. Bloody hell! Got something sticky on my cards, ruining my cards. Right, Princess of Wands in the reverse. Nine of Cups, Lord of Material Happiness. Eight of Swords in the reverse, Lord of the Root of the Powers of Air. And then King of Swords, Prince of the Chariots and the Winds. So what this feels like is that you've been dealing with some people in kind of princess energy, okay? And as you'll know if you follow me, the princess cards in here, they're kind of siren energy, people using their feminine ways to get what they want, to lure people in and trap them. Well, tough titty, they're going arse over tit, right? You're on your way to happiness. I feel like with the Ace of Swords there, because it's kind of coming down, what I'm drawn to is the sword going through the crown there. So it's almost like people who have been parading themselves and lording it over people like they're some kind of royalty. Enough's enough because the King of Swords is coming in to take his crown back. Basically, there's nothing more for you to do. Just sit back. What I want to say is any blocks on your abundance at the moment, it's just the residual effects of this energy. Sources removing their power, removing their gifts, removing their craft. Okay, they are going to start falling over like dominoes. Okay, just sit back, remain calm, take this time to rest. Okay, because you've got big things coming your way. You're going to have to start refusing some work because it is going to start backing up. Okay, all their hard work and effort is coming crumbling down around them. So let's go on to the what's the tea and start getting some further clues. So can we have some further advice or clues, please? What we got there? Bad karma. These people are getting bad karma. The karma is starting to hit. It's raining down. It's raining down. Okay. We got. See if we've got one more. So we've got love on the brain, lost in fancy, can't stop thinking of them, love that never left. And then we've got boss daddy, stable, rich business owner, CEO, big DICK energy. What it feels like is with the love on the brain coming out there, it feels like somebody's obsessive lover, clinging and controlling, can't let you go, karmic and chaotic. What it feels like is that somebody's possibly attempted some lust magic on you. It's backfired. You might have done a return to sender, and their karma is to see you step into that boss daddy energy, and just be kind of stuck on their mind, moving legal issues, facing court matters, paperwork and delays, dealing with authority. Right. This person or these people, they're going to have to move. Why? Because they're going to get downgraded. Okay, so they might not be physically moving, but they're going to be facing legal issues shortly. Okay, the hands of justice are swaying, bad habits, drugs and denial, repeating mistakes, can't break the loop. I'm more drawn to the can't break the loop thing. Talking shiz, gossip behind your back, spreading lies, smiling in your face. Okay. And then that one was the wrong way round. Impersonator, wants your life, copies your style, obsessed with being you. This, there's that feels like different. I mean, that's involved in all of it. That feels like the person I was just speaking about, and that feels like it's somebody else, right? I want to say there's quite a ring or network around you. Like I say, there's more people tied into this than you realise. You've recently unpicked one of the hidden moles. One of the hidden moles. They tried to change and switch allegiance, but they got pulled back into the gossip, rumours, and lies. It's like an addiction for this person. Okay, this person has quite a sad life. Okay, and they feed off other people's gossip and drama. They enjoy too much watching you, like a Truman Show, but you've caught them out. Okay, they know that you've sniffed them out, so they've gone running. Karma will be swift. Okay, love triangle, third party involved, torn between two or multiple others. I don't think that's in regard to love. I feel it's in regard to what I just said there. There's somebody who started off as a mole for one side. They've come on. They've considered switching allegiances, but then they've been pulled back, and it's like they're stuck in this third party dynamic. Okay, I want to say that this collective that I'm reading for you, you're just waiting for your moment to call out the BS. Rejected, ghosted hard, ignored and erased. I feel like that's what's going to happen, as in that's what you're going to do to this person. Drama starter, stirs the pot, always in the middle, loves the chaos. You're a queen rising. Okay, glowing up loud, all eyes on her, coming up spotlight. Moving on, thank you, next, right? So it's time for you to move forwards. You've sniffed out the rats. There is more people involved in this than you probably realise, but they're going to start falling like dominoes. Okay, if that resonated, type in I smell a rat. If you want a personalised reading, priority same day guaranteed, 15 quid. Go to my stand store on my profile, clicky click, and get yours today. Good luck, ta-ta.